Hey, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is what is today? Well, today's Monday, July the 5th, 2021. I'm gonna give you a quick 5 minute to 10 minute at the most rundown on how to use our pro how to use our programming to use and manage Microsoft SQL Server databases. Okay, to begin with, first of all, let's put this down here. And I'll put this link in the description below. Okay, this is the page where I got this command here from. You notice it says trusted. Well, that means I don't have to. If it's trusted, that means you won't have to use a username and password to log on to the database. If you are using a you if your connection is not trusted, maybe it's located on a different server, you can use something like this to do it. Okay, okay. To do the same thing, to actually do the connection with the username and password. All right. So we begin by cleaning out the environment and do this. Okay. Now we do a connection, and now we take a look at the existing tables. All these are the system tables related to the database. And here's the three databases we created so far, or four databases we created so far. Okay, so now we'll come down here, load that, convert it to date. So let's create a table called redfish. We'll come down here. Okay. So now now you can see we created the database. Now we're going to write the table called redfish, and we're going to list the fields. And there's the three fields. Okay. Now we're going to do command. There's the data again. Okay. Now, if for some reason this isn't returning any results, okay, this isn't returning any results. Try run the DB commit. It could be that the server is storing this in memory, and until you actually commit the query, and it's going to create a permanent table. I'm going to run it anyway. As you can see, it doesn't really. Okay, commit without beginning transaction. Okay, so this doesn't work then. This is for something entirely different. Okay, so now let's go ahead, run the query. There it is. Now we're going to do a disconnect. It's generally recommended when you finish your database activity itself, like it probably belongs up. Well, yeah, it belongs at the end of your database query. Okay, you want to do a disconnect, and now we're disconnected. Okay, and that's really all there is to it. And I have a hunch that if you did it at Oracle, it'd probably be the exact same steps. Okay, you simply change the server name, uh, database. Yeah, all you have to do up here is what you have to do is change the server name, driver name, okay? The Oracle or something. SQL Oracle, maybe something like that, okay? But that's really all there is to it. Okay, that's really all there is to it. And if for some, so like I said, I'm not sure what to do if for some reason uh, it doesn't seem to be right in the table. Go to the management system. What do we got here? Go to the SQL Server Management Studio. Connect databases. There's a database and tables. ABC, MT cars, and redfish. Okay. Okay. So you see, it did recognize it as a date field, which is very good. Okay. So this concludes that very brief video. So if you come up here, look for your database and see if the table actually exists. Okay. So anyway, this concludes a very brief, simple introduction to how to work with SQL Server in R, or in Rstudio in R. Okay. Thanks so much for a few minutes of your time. Hope you found this helpful. Always question and comments are always welcome at the bottom. Okay.